Welcome to Cappadocia, the land of fairy chimneys. This magical region in Turkey is known for its unique rock formations and rich history. Located in the heart of Turkey, Cappadocia bridges the continents of Europe and Asia, offering a blend of history and culture. The region is famous for its surreal terrain, a landscape that seems to belong on another planet. Imagine tall, thin rock formations called fairy chimneys, each one unique in shape and size, rising majestically from the ground. These strange shapes are scattered all over Cappadocia, creating a landscape that is both eerie and enchanting. They look like something from a dream, especially when bathed in the golden light of the setting sun, casting long shadows across the valleys. Cappadocia has a rich history, with ancient cave dwellings and historical ruins that tell the story of civilizations long past. People have lived here for thousands of years, carving homes and churches into the soft volcanic rock, creating a labyrinth of tunnels and rooms. The name Cappadocia comes from the Persian word Cappadocia, meaning land of beautiful horses, a testament to the region's ancient equestrian culture. Horses were important here long ago, and they still hold a special place in the hearts of the local people. Today people visit Cappadocia to see its wonders, to walk among the fairy chimneys and explore the ancient cave dwellings. They come from all over the world, drawn by the promise of adventure and the chance to experience a place unlike any other. This region offers a unique blend of nature and history, where the beauty of the landscape is matched by the richness of its cultural heritage. Let's explore the wonders of Cappadocia together, a place where the past and present come together in a stunning display of natural and human artistry. The landscape of Cappadocia is millions of years old. Volcanoes played a big part in its creation. These volcanoes erupted, covering the land with ash and lava. Over time, this material hardened into soft rock called tuff. Wind and rain then sculpted the tuff. They carved out the valleys and the fairy chimneys. Some of these formations are tall and pointed, others look like giant mushrooms. Erosion continues to shape Cappadocia today. It is a slow process, but it reminds us that nature is always changing. The unique geology of this region is a sight to behold. People have lived in Cappadocia for a very long time. The Hittites were some of the earliest settlers. They were here during the Bronze Age, around 1600 BCE. The Hittites were skilled builders. Later, the Persians and Romans came to Cappadocia. They left their mark on the region's culture. The Persians called Cappadocia the land of beautiful horses. They prized the horses bred here. The Romans built roads and cities. Cappadocia's location on the Silk Road made it a center for trade. The region's history is a tapestry of different cultures. Early Christians found refuge in Cappadocia. During Roman times, they faced severe persecution. They needed a safe place to practice their faith freely. The soft rock of Cappadocia provided a perfect solution. The Christians carved homes and churches into the cliffs. These cave dwellings offered them protection. They were hidden from plain view. Some caves had multiple levels and tiers. Families lived, cooked, and slept inside these caves. The Christians also created vast underground cities. These were even more elaborate hiding places. The cave dwellings are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Section 5. Subterranean cities, Derinkuyu and Kaymakli. Nestled in the heart of Cappadocia, these ancient underground cities are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Derinkuyu is the most famous underground city in Cappadocia. It is renowned for its extensive network of tunnels and rooms that stretch deep beneath the surface. It is a maze of tunnels and rooms, intricately designed to provide shelter and security. The narrow passageways twist and turn, creating a labyrinth that is both fascinating and bewildering. This city could house up to 20,000 people. Imagine an entire community living, working, and thriving underground, away from the dangers above. It had everything needed for survival. From living quarters to kitchens, every aspect of daily life was meticulously planned and executed. Derinkuyu had living spaces, kitchens, and even a church. Air shafts provided ventilation, ensuring a steady supply of fresh air. Wells supplied fresh water, crucial for the inhabitants' survival. It is an incredible feat of engineering. The precision and skill required to carve out such a complex structure from solid rock are truly awe-inspiring. Kaymakli is another impressive underground city. Though smaller than Derinkuyu, it is equally fascinating and rich in history. It is smaller than Derinkuyu, but still fascinating. The rooms and tunnels are more compact, yet they tell a story of a community that once thrived here. These cities provided refuge from invaders. During times of conflict, entire populations would retreat underground safe from harm. They are a reminder of a turbulent past. The artifacts and maps found here offer a glimpse into the lives of those who sought refuge in these subterranean sanctuaries. Today, visitors can explore these underground worlds. Guided tours provide an in-depth look at the history and engineering marvels of Derinkuyu and Kaimakli, allowing us to step back in time and experience the ingenuity of our ancestors. Section 6. Spiritual Heritage, Rock-Cut Churches and Frescoes. The early Christians didn't just build homes in the caves. They also created churches. These rock-cut churches are scattered throughout Cappadocia. They are decorated with beautiful frescoes. The frescoes depict scenes from the Bible. They are colorful and expressive. Some frescoes are well preserved. They offer a glimpse into the past. The Goreme Open Air Museum is a must-see. It has a collection of rock-cut churches. These churches are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. They are a treasure of Byzantine art and faith. Section 7. Up, up, and away. Hot air balloons over Cappadocia. A hot air balloon ride is a must-do in Cappadocia. This enchanting region in central Turkey is renowned for its otherworldly landscapes, and there's no better way to take it all in than from the sky. Imagine floating over the fairy chimneys at sunrise. These unique rock formations, sculpted by centuries of erosion, look even more magical when bathed in the soft morning light. It is a truly unforgettable experience. The sense of peace and tranquility as you drift silently above the ground is unparalleled. The balloons rise gently into the sky. The ascent is smooth and gradual, giving you plenty of time to take in the stunning views. As you ascend, you get a bird's-eye view of the landscape. The colors are breathtaking. The patchwork of valleys, vineyards, and orchards below creates a mesmerizing mosaic. The valleys are bathed in a golden light. This golden hour, just after sunrise, is the perfect time to capture the beauty of Cappadocia in photographs. It is a photographer's dream. The ever-changing light and shadows create endless opportunities for stunning shots. The balloon rides usually last about an hour. This gives you ample time to soak in the views and take plenty of photos. They offer a unique perspective on the beauty of Cappadocia. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the scale and grandeur of the landscape. It is a magical way to experience this incredible place. Whether you're an adventure seeker or simply looking for a peaceful escape, a hot air balloon ride over Cappadocia is an experience you'll never forget. Section 8. Exploring the valleys, a hiker's paradise. Cappadocia is a hiker's paradise. There are many trails to explore. The valleys offer stunning scenery. You can hike through vineyards, orchards, and fairy chimney formations. The Rose Valley is known for its pink-hued rocks. The Pigeon Valley is named for the pigeon houses carved into the cliffs. Each valley has its own unique charm. Hiking is a great way to experience the natural beauty of Cappadocia. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and bring water. There are trails for all fitness levels. Section 9. A tapestry of flavors, Cappadocian cuisine. Cappadocian cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors. The region is known for its fresh produce. Tomatoes, grapes, and apricots thrive in the rich volcanic soil. Try the pottery kebab. This dish is cooked in a clay pot. It is a hearty and flavorful stew. Don't miss the Monty. These are small dumplings filled with meat. For dessert, indulge in some baklava. This sweet pastry is made with layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey. Cappadocian wine is also worth trying. The volcanic soil gives the grapes a unique flavor. Section 10. Practical tips. Planning your Cappadocian adventure. The best time to visit Cappadocia is in the spring or fall. The weather is mild during these seasons. Summer can be very hot in Cappadocia. You can fly into either Kayseri Airport or Nevşehir Cappadocia Airport. Both airports have connections to Istanbul. Once you are in Cappadocia, you can get around by bus, taxi, or rental car. Be sure to book your hot air balloon ride in advance. They are very popular. Wear comfortable shoes for hiking, and don't forget your camera. Section 11. Conclusion, the magic awaits. Cappadocia is a place of wonder and enchantment. From its fairy chimneys to its mysterious underground cities, this region is full of surprises and hidden gems. The landscape is like something out of a dream, surreal and breathtaking. The history of Cappadocia is rich, vibrant, and deeply fascinating. The people here have overcome many challenges throughout history. They have created a unique culture that beautifully blends the ancient and the modern. A trip to Cappadocia is an experience you won't soon forget. The magic truly awaits you.